Oh, hey guys. Welcome back to another tip of the week. This tip of the week, we're going to talk about your dry herbs and spices. So, the thing is that a lot of times I get the question all the time, like this is one of the questions I get the most is about dry herbs and spices. And I always like to talk about bay leaves because I think it's one that gets the bad reputation, one of the worst reputations, and it's the bay leaf. So, Baileys have flavor, but if there's no more bend, see that broke right there? No more bend, no more oil, no more anything in your Baileys, then this has no flavor to give you. So what we taste when we taste our dry herbs and our fresh herbs too, but our dry herbs is that we taste the natural oils as it comes out of the item. If your bay leaves, and most of you, how long have you had your bay leaves for? Maybe 2 or 3 years. So if your bay leaves have been sitting in your pantry, in your cabinet for the last 2 or 3 years, when you go to grab them, they're going to snap apart and blow away like dust. There's no more oil left inside. So you cannot get any flavor out because there's no oil to give you any flavor. A lot of times too, when you buy your bay leaves, make sure you check. These are actually fresh from the grocery store, but they're not fresh in real life. I use Instacart to get these to my house. And this is another reason why some things I don't Instacart, but I did this on purpose. I didn't think it would be this bad, but I did this on purpose because certain things you want to make sure you see it because everybody's not looking the same way you're looking. I can use these bay leaves all I want, but they're not going to give me any flavor in any of the dishes. And then they get a bad reputation of not having any flavor. So what I want you to do is take your herbs and your dry spices in your cabinet in your pantry, and I want you to check them 4 times a year. Every 3 months when the seasons change, or if you live, I lived in Key West, so no season change, but every 3 months you want to check your dry herbs. Bay leaves are easy. So if there's no color, it's starting to turn gray, they start to break, start turning to dust, they're trash. Your paprika will lose its color. Easy to know, trash. All your other dry seasons and everything also will lose that color, lose that potency. You can keep it there for as long as you want, but if you put it in a dish, it's nothing coming out. So that's the reason why I tell you to check it. So that's the tip of the week. Check your dry herbs and spices 4 times a year and make sure that you don't have the bay leaf problem like I have right now of no oil, meaning no flavor. I'll see you next time. Have a good day.
For watching today's episode. I hope you enjoyed it and maybe even learned something. You know what to do next. Please hit those like, share, and subscribe buttons below and have a great day.